Live from Crypto.com Arena in downtown Los Angeles, Spectrum Sportsnet, as always, is proud to present the NBA. Tonight, the Lakers taking on the Charlotte Hornets. Dorian Prince has that knocked away out of bounds with 9 to shoot. It's 3-on-1, and Rui finishes with the slam.
Well, the turnover, and the Lakers take advantage of it.
From the outside, it's knocked down that time by Bryce McGowitz, who went to Nebraska, Stu. Underneath, feeding down low in position as Davis scores.
Nice usage of the left hand.
Rui's in very deep and very active so far. That's a block. Nick Richards, the former Wildcat of Kentucky. Bridges on its way. You know, he's a natural right-hander, but anything outside of the restricted area, he's going to shoot with the left hand. Oh, look at this. Is Davis in the lane. It's thrown up and settles in.
Rozier gets a nice friendly bounce.
Little step to the side, on its way. And Terry Rozier, the rainbow. Draw for three, straight away, down it goes.
On their second free throw, they're starting to fall away from the basket. And they shoot, and they miss that second one. The first one, they stand up and follow through correctly.
On the outside, nothing but net. And again, that's a three by Miles Bridges. And this is the, 15th, 14th straight game that LaMelo will miss, but supposedly he's close as Bridges hits it. Oh, good move by Rozier. Blows the layup, but the follow is slammed home by the 7-footer Richards. Washington wanders into the lane. Tough shot over AD. And the second cleanup dunk by Richards.
Steal by Anthony Davis.
Yeah, took it right away. Long lead for D'Lo. This should be an easy one, Austin. Now to D'Lo. This one's on its way. Yes, sir. Single-digit games in his last 10. You said he's got to get that rhythm back. And there's Miller from the outside. Did not play against the Clippers. Obviously back here tonight. We're happy to see him. D'Lo! 2 in a row. Austin's been known to launch from that distance. Wanders in, looking for the foul. Doesn't get it, but he's got the bucket. Another three hit by the Hornets. D'Lo in the attacking 47. The pick by AD, the roll by AD, the basket by AD. Good bounce to Washington, and he throws it down away from Davis. Into the corner, Reeves, he's going to try a three. Short corner. Austin driving right around AD. Had nothing to do with that. It's going to be a foul on the Lakers.
Good recovery again by AD.
Look at this move, and a beautiful move by Rozier. Hachimura trying to back in. He's alone out on the wing. Now comes the double. Too late and one. LeBron, tough assignment here with Bridges. Block from the other side. Was that Christie? Or was that LeBron?
No, that was the help side defender.
Yeah. LeBron on its way. Got it. Rozier blocked by Christie. Max! LeBron will stop it himself. One, there's that high-arcing three for Christian.
It's the Lakers' biggest lead of the night.
Count it. Washington, and one. And he saves it. Now back out to LeBron. Quick swing. Over to Reeves. The quick swing by LeBron. He'll make that happen.
Dribble drive by Prince, but he just couldn't get it to go down as they knocked down yet another three-pointer.
Again, they attack the paint. Who else but Anthony Davis was there?
Anthony Davis deflects the shot and gets the rebound.
Last line of defense, AD. Christian Wood dumps it into AD. He can do some damage there. That's a goaltend on Richards. Got the block. This time on the outside, Stu.
I tell you, he's just doing it all.
Vanderbilt attacks the rim. Got it. Defense to offense. Now it's Bridges trying to move on D'Lo. Hangs in the air. Off the glass, no. Tipped up and in by Richards. Boy, the scrum underneath. Vanderbilt, no. Tip, yes. Davis. Vanderbilt with the Lakers down by 2. Not anymore. Throw it down, big guy. Throw it down.
A technical foul here on Anthony Davis.
Touch pass by LeBron. Prince got it finally. The turn, Richards, now he's going to throw it down. So the big guys going at each other. That's 10 for the Laker bench, but here's starter LeBron James. Lob to Davis, the lob to jam. You mentioned it, sprint back, don't foul. Get defensive rebounds, no turnovers, and play with some force offensively, just like that. Down the middle goes Richards, and counted and one. Davis with the foul. Rozier gets it, goes a little backdoor to score.
Being over played by Vandy. Good cut.
Dangerous pass, but it's taken by Hachimura. And one, give the assist to Braun. Miller found some real estate, open real estate, and scores. Brandon Miller goes 6'8". LeBron, quick move, off the dribble, not going to stop. LeBron surveying the floor. He spins, he shoots, he scores! Again, attacking the basket, relentless. Going at that Laker defense, the Hornets. And a bucket by Bridges. So he's back in the good graces. Oh, underneath. Davis found by Torian. Bridges going to try it again. So it's feast or famine right now for Miles Bridges. Count it. Boy, you just can't stop him, can you? Rui wanted to go baseline. They run into it. And Hachimura rattles it in from mid-range. Timeout. Vanderbilt all the way. Oh, what a block by Bridges. Rui Hachimura. Oh, good fake on Martin. There's that flat jump shot. Pays dividends.
Yeah, he's very lucky to get the roll on that shot, as you said. Very flat.
AD, aggressive, count it! And another three-point opportunity for one, Anthony Davis.
Oh, nice outlet.
By Torian Prince to LeBron James. Runs over him, man. They say, play on! And the basket's good. Bridges in traffic and picking it up and throwing it down is Miller. Prince fires it in the corner for LeBron. Count it! Hachimura. Ooh, he'll shake and bake for Rui. He's underneath. Count it! That's an and one for Rui Hachimura. Smith, as he always does, very quickly streaking left wing. Lay it up and in, and one. Well, Christie, a little step to the right, nearly runs over, man. Now it's D'Lo! Oh, Rui finds himself behind the defense, throws it down with authority, one hand.
But that was a foul.
Well, you win the first 4 or 5 minutes here.
Yeah.
And keep a gas going. Then you're in good shape for another blowout, and that's a good way to start it.
Yeah.
Yeah, going down to the tune, Micah. 3 for 3! At the other end, here come the Lakers with more!
Oh, Austin went behind the back off the dribble.
Wood, Russell. Boy, that's a catch and shoot. That's just a little touch and shoot.
And that's a long ball, too.
Yeah. Reeves again behind the back. Oh, that time it's going to count on a goaltend. On its way, down it goes. Max Christie. Here comes Charlotte on the attack. Bridges. That's a nice attack. Oh, AR's wide open. He's going to attack him. Here he goes. Throw it down with 2 hands. Attack that basket.
That's just poor defense. I mean, really poor.
And then Miller drains it from the outside. Vando. Oh, good pass. Really nice bounce in Jax Hayes. Smith Jr. for 3. Nothing but net. Tacos are in play if the Lakers can play some defense. That's a good cut. Reeves finds him. Throwdown time for Vando. Vando's going to get that 3 going. Jackson Hayes. Got it. Boy. Jackson Hayes. The Javino. Oh, good pass. Really nice vision that time by Wood. And 133 to 112. Losing streak is now 9 for Charlotte. Boy, they need LaMelo to come back and come back quickly.